is Mary, and I'm concerned that robots will take over the world. I'm not kidding. You've probably seen ads on the internet where artificial intelligence is independently creating online courses and taking away jobs from teachers. Imagine that one day you'll be just hanging around and robots will be manipulating our relaxed brains. Yeah, that thought scares me. That's why I want to tell you that you need to take care of your future now and choose a profession where no machine can replace you. First, let's figure out why professions appear. The main reason is the development of humanity. Let me give you a simple example. There's a profession called urbanist, who is a specialist in city planning and who studies and helps solve problems related to functioning and development of cities. Now here's a question. How could first urbanists have appeared if people didn't even have the first cities yet? So we figured out why professions appear. But why do they disappear? That is, if professions appear because we need certain specialists, then they disappear because the need disappears. But the need disappears not for the profession itself, but for a person to perform it. And this is where technology begins to take over our work. You may have heard that there used to be a profession called human alarm clock. The job was to wake other people up by knocking on their windows. This profession no longer exists because now we have alarm clocks on our phones. Professions continue to die out even now. But is it possible to predict which professions might disappear due to technological development in the near future? The answer is no. It's impossible. When the first computers were invented, the first thing they were taught to do was to count. This eliminated the need for specialists interested in mathematics. Computers could count faster and better than humans. People then concluded that there was a demand for humanized specialists. They were different from computers in that they had imagination and developed critical thinking skills. Those people painted, wrote books, engaged other types of art. But then artificial intelligence was created, and the first thing it learned to do was to draw and to write books. And the need for humanized specialists disappeared too. We are now creating an unfriendly future for ourselves. We are architects of our own end. Soon we will be no different from robots, or robots will be no different from humans. I'm not here to show you the way out of the problem, but to give you something to think about. I asked ChatGPT which professions might disappear in the near future due to technological development, and here is what it replied. Administrators and assistants, cashiers and salespeople, data analysts, journalists and copywriters, medical workers. But how can we prevent AI from ruining our future? I am not suggesting that we stop progress and technological development because on the other side, we can direct technology into areas where it's difficult or dangerous for us to work ourselves. That could be ecology or space. But while we still have control over robots, we must use it and stop bringing machines so close to people. They were created and being created to help us, not to replace us. The future has not been written yet, and it depends on us. Let's not let the robots take over the world. Thanks for your attention.